Hello friends, I am back with a video on primality testing, and in this video we will be discussing about the Fermat test. This test is used to find out whether a given number is a prime number or not, and generally it is used when we have a very large number for which we want to find out the primality, and then we make use of this particular test so that only some divisions can help us to find out if the number is prime or not. So let us look at the method. So this particular test, it is a probability test for primality. That means its results are not 100% accurate. It is a necessary condition. Whatever conditions we will study under the Fermat's test, those are necessary to be true, but they are not sufficient. That means if we have not tested for sufficient number of values, then we cannot give 100% confidence that the answer will be correct. So this is the formula for the Fermat's test. It says that if a number n is prime, then for every value a which is less than n. So for all the values of a which are less than n, what we have to test is that a raised to the power of n minus 1, and when we modulo this value with n, we should get an answer of 1. So for all values between 1 to n minus 1, we will check that a raised to the power of n minus 1 modulo n will give a value of 1. So we can take an example of n is equal to 5. So when n is equal to and n minus 1 is 4. Now a is equal to 2 because the starting value 1 is not considered. So the second value is 2. So for 2 raised to the power of 4, which is 16, mod 5 will give you a value of 1 because 15 will go with 3 and then 1 is left as a remainder. Similarly, a is equal to 3, so 3 raised to power 4 is 81, so 81 mod 5 is 1. Then a is equal to 4, so 4 raised to power 4 is 256, 16 into 16, mod 5 will give you a value of 1. So since for all values of a we have found that the remainder is 1, we can conclude that the number 5 is a prime number. Now for a very long number, for a very large number, it is not possible to test for all values of a. And if we end up testing for all values of a, then what is the benefit of the Fermat test? We can use the basic method to find out. So therefore we select some numbers and for a with some probability of success, and for some numbers we test and we conclude that the number is a prime number. So the a has to be chosen randomly, and there are two types of errors that can happen. The first error is that the number a that has been chosen is a Fermat liar. That means it will satisfy the condition for Fermat, that is a raised to power n minus 1 mod n is equal to 1. This condition will be satisfied, but the number n is not prime. So it is a fake indicator of primality. So there are chances that a is a Fermat liar. And there is a concept of Fermat witness. Fermat witness means when the a will not meet the condition and it indicates that the number n is prime. So there are two types of values in which a will fall, whether it is a Fermat liar or a Fermat witness. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like my channel, please subscribe to it, share it with your friends, leave your comments in the comments section so that I know that what are your views and how I can make this channel more useful to you. And thank you for watching my video. Thanks for your time. Thank you very much.